Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am so excited because I have got a shop that is brand new to me, diamond painting shop that I want to share with you. So this is my first time opening a package from them, and let's get inside and see what we get. Okay, so first things first, we have got a lovely hollow box, very pretty indeed. It tells us what we get inside: premium canvas, white tray, drill pen and wax. We have got some instructions. On this end we have got a thumbnail and it tells us what canvas we've got. I'm going to leave that for now. So what shop have I ordered from? This canvas came from YLJ Art Shop, and I will of course link all of their details down below so that you can go and check out their website. I came across them on Instagram and Threads, liked the look of some of their artwork and thought, got to give it a try. Got to try out a new company. So this is, what size is this? This is a 30 by 30, which should mean I can get it worked up nice and quickly and give you a proper review of what everything looks like. We've got our diamonds. These come pre-bagged. That's always nice, and I can see straight away we've got some ABs there. We'll look at those in greater detail in a moment. Oh, hello. We have got a lovely premium pen. Let's just, right, so I think, I'm just going to check, I think that might be a glow-in-the-dark pen. Let's have a look. Just turn that light off and turn that light off. Certainly we're getting a bit of a reaction under the UV lamp, and I would say yes, that is definitely a glow-in-the-dark pen. Even with it not being particularly dark in here, you can see that that is fluorescing. That's fabulous. Wow. Right, let's get some lights back on. Wow, so that is extra special. We get 2 plates of heart wax, and we get a 7 and a 4 placer, and they are the skinny ones that I particularly like. So if you're like me and you like multi-placing, they've got you covered. And the pen comes with a brass single tip and a 3 placer. So lovely. That way. Gosh, that was a wonderful surprise. So let's have a look. Okay, before we look at the canvas, we do get our inventory sheet, which you can turn into stickers if you wish. Let's just bring you down. There we go, that's better. So symbol wise, we have got alphanumeric and some symbols, a couple of unusual ones I suppose. We've got this little moustache symbol here. Where was the other one I spotted? A little ice skate. So that is for the AB. Everything else is fairly straightforward. Nothing that looks to be a problem. And here is the thumbnail for the painting. This is Enchanting Butterfly Girl. And so this is can give you their details there as well, so you can see it's Jonges.us, or you can go to YLJ Art Shop, and that will get you there as well. All of their artwork is licensed and original. No stolen artwork, which is lovely. And yeah, I'm so far no complaints. Let's have a look at that canvas though. So we've got a felt backed canvas. It has got the scalloped and serged edge, and oh, the rest of the kit. I'll go through that in a second. And here we go. So let's move you back out. So this is lovely. So we've got it says it's a green canvas, waterproof, anti-fade, non-ironing. It does look like it's gonna straighten itself out nice and easy. Let's just measure that canvas, see what we're getting. And that is, yeah, 30 by just under 30 is the actual measurements of the printed area. So you're not losing anything to that border. We have got, oh, nice sticky poured glue. Very clear symbols on the canvas. I'll bring you down again so you can have a look. Oh, so you can see there just how clear those symbols are. The M is which you can see in the neck here, is a dark symbol on a dark background, but I think that will be okay. But yeah, I am very pleased with how that's looking. Obviously this is a very small canvas and you're not going to get the level of detail that you might get in a bigger canvas, but just to try out a new company, I thought this was a good way to go, and I actually think this rendering's pretty good for such a small canvas. So let's have a little look at the diamonds. They do round or square. I opted for round. I've got a lot of squares in my stash, so I wanted something a little bit different. So for the ABs, we've got this 996 AB, which is this lovely blue. This is number 21. So this is the ice skate symbol. So it's going to go in all of these blue butterflies. That's where that's going to go. We've then got 947, an orange AB there. That's number 17. So that's the heart symbol. That's going to be the red in the butterflies. And yeah, so those are the only AB colours. The rest of it, standard but beautiful. Yeah, really lovely selection of colours. And yeah, can't wait to work on this one. It's a shame, obviously this month I have been working on wings and things. I don't think I will have time to get to this one this month, but because she's got butterflies all around her, she would have been perfect for this month. But there will be other butterfly themed events, I am sure. So yeah, let's just have a look at pricing for this one. This canvas, if you wanted this canvas in this size, it is £27 British pounds. And if you wanted to go up, they do go up to a 50 by 50, which is £40. So that's the largest size it's available in the round drill, and it's the same price if you wanted it in square drill. Just to give you an idea, they do it in a 20 by 20. I wouldn't recommend going that small for something as detailed as this, but that is £18 if you were interested in doing that. So let's just have a little look at the last bits in the kit. So we've got our premium pen here, but we also get a Mosfet style boat, a blue single placer, and 2 plates of blue wax, which is very nice. And you know, this is more than enough to get you started as a new person to diamond painting. So overall, I am super happy with what I've received. I'm gonna have to stop myself from getting started too quickly. But I think this might be a nice side project to work on next month, because I've got a large square drill painting to work on next month. So maybe I'll work on this alongside it. We will see. So I have got a discount code for you that will be on screen now so that you can see that. And as always, all of my discount codes are down in the description. I'm really excited to see what this company goes on to offer. They have quite a large selection of floral and girl faces style diamond paintings at the moment. They've also got a section on anime and astrology. There's lots of things, and it looks like there'll be more to come as they grow. So do go and check them out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you purchased from them before. I may be late to the party on this, so do let me know if you have already ordered from YLJ Art Shop. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me on this new unboxing, new company adventure. If you enjoy my content, please do remember to leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And if you feel like supporting the channel more directly, hop on over to the Patreon and see what I have on offer for you over there. That is all from me for today. Have a wonderful week, and until next time, stay crafty.